Now let us discuss about string editing using dynamic programming. String editing can also be called as edit distance. First let's see the problem. Two strings will be given. Here our major aim is to convert or to transform the source string into destination string with minimum number of operations. So with minimum number of operations, we have to convert the source string into the destination string. The possible operations are, first one is insert, second one is remove, third one is replace operation. For performing each operation, a cast is required. In this example, in order to perform insert, remove and replace operation, the cost is 1. Whereas in the next video, I will discuss one more example. In that video, for performing insert, remove operation, the cost is 1. Whereas for performing replace operation, the cost is 2. So this is very famous example. So that was given in Sahani textbook. In most of the question papers, that question was asked. So I will share that video link in the description as well as first comment. So insert operation, remove operation cost is 1, whereas replace operation cost is 2. Whereas in this example, for all the operations, the cost is 1 only. Okay. So let us, before discussing this problem, let us see these examples. Here the first string is kitten, whereas the second string is sitting. So we have to convert this source string into the destination string. So here we can delete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can delete all the characters of the source string. Next we add all the characters of the destination string to the source one. So here how many characters are there? 7 characters. So 6 plus 7 means 13. So 13 is the cast. Next, second logic, replace k by s. Next, I same, tt same. Next, replace this e by I, n same, and then here insert g. So 1 replace, 2 replace and 1 addition operation. So for 2 replace, the cost is 2. For 1 insert, the cost is 1. So out of 13 and this 3, which is the minimum number? 3 is the minimum number. So we can say that 3 operations are required, 3 cost is required in order to convert this string to this string. Now let's see this example. AABAB2, BABB. So what is the first logic? Delete all the characters of the first string. So the cost is 5. 5 remove operations, 5 cast. Next insert these 4 characters to the first string. So 5 plus 4. So 9 operations are required. Let's see the second logic. So delete this A, delete this A. So AA is deleted. Next BAB, BAB. These 3 are same. Next here you add one more B. Okay. So here how many operations are required? For these 2 removal, the cost is 2. Next we have to add 1. So 2 plus 1, the cost is 3. The cost is 3. Now let us see one more logic. So replace this A by B. So replace A by B. Next A same, B same. Next remove this A. Remove this A. So then the string will become BABB. So how many operations are required? So 1 removal, 1 replace and 1 removal. So 2 operations are required. So which is the best logic here? So out of 9, 3, 2. So 2 is the minimum number. So we can say that this is the minimum number of operations. 2 operations are required in order to convert this source string into the destination string. So here the point is, we can convert a source string to destination string in n number of ways. But here our major aim is to find with minimum number of operations. With minimum number of operations, we have to convert source string to the destination string. So here the source string is ADC. Let the source string is X. So the source string is written in horizontal arrows. Next, the destination string is ABCFG. Let it be Y. the destination string is written in some vertical lines. So horizontal rows means source string, whereas vertical columns means destination string. Okay. Next, before the source string we have to use null. Before the destination string we have to use null. So null indicates empty string. Null indicates empty string. So here the source string is null, destination string is also null. So null to null means how many operations are required? So they are same only. So 0 number of operations are required. Okay. Next, the source string is null, whereas the destination string is A. So null to A means how many operations are required? So one insert operation. So we have to insert A here. So one operation. Here we have three operations: insert, remove and replace. Insert operation is denoted by horizontal arrow. Remove operation is denoted by vertical arrow. Okay. So this is insert operation. So we have to use horizontal arrow. So this horizontal arrow specifies that this one is coming from this 0. Next, here the source string is null, whereas the destination string is AB. So how many operations are required here? So we have to insert A and B characters. So 2 operations are required. So this is insert operation. We are inserting A and B characters. Okay. So that means use horizontal arrow. Next numbers are 3, 4, 5. Next, let us fill the first column. Here what is the source string? A is the source string. Whereas in the first column, what is the destination string? Null is the destination string. So A to null means how many characters are required? So we have to remove this A. So one delete operation is required. So 1. So delete operation means use vertical arrow. Insert means horizontal arrow. This one is coming from this 0. Next, the source string is AD, whereas the destination string is null. So how many operations are required? So we have to remove this A as well as this D. So 2 operations are required. So deletion means vertical line, vertical arrow. Next, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So likewise we have to fill the first row as well as first column. If we take any example, then the first row and the first column is these numbers only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that only we have to write. Okay. Next, let us fill the remaining cells of the matrix. For that, let us use this formula. If row not equal to column, here we have to compare the characters A, B. So AB means characters mismatch. If the characters are mismatched, then what we have to do is, in order to calculate this cell, here we have a 2 by 2 matrix. Here the formula is, here this vertical arrow represents remove operation. This horizontal arrow represents insert operation. Whereas if row not equal to column, if the characters mismatch, then the diagonal represents replace operation. Here the formula is minimum of insert comma, remove comma, replace plus 1. So for performing the cost, for performing each operation, the cost is 1. So we have to add 1. So in this example, the cost is 1. Whereas in our next example, replace cost will be 2. Okay. So in that we will, with the help of some recurrence formulas as well as this trick, we will see that example. So this is the formula: minimum of insert, replace, remove plus 1. So 1 means here the cost is 1 for performing each operation. Next, if row equal to column, that means if the characters match, then the formula is we have to simply copy the diagonal value. So let us see here. Here 0, 1, 1. Here what is the character? AA. AA means match. Characters match. So we have to copy the diagonal value. So here what is the diagonal value? 0. So copy that value. So this is diagonal. We are copying from diagonal. So use diagonal arrow. Next, AB different, AC different, AF different, AG different. Okay. So different means the formula is minimum of insert comma, remove comma, replace plus 1. So out of 102, which is the minimum? 0 is the minimum. So 0 plus 1 means 1. Insert means here this 1 is coming from this 0. So use horizontal arrow. Next, out of 1, 2, 3, which is the minimum? 1 is the minimum. So 1 plus 1, 2. This 2 is coming from this 1. So use horizontal arrow. 2, 3, 4. Out of 2, 3, 4, the minimum number is 2. So 2 plus 1 means 3. This 3 value is coming from this 2. So use horizontal arrow. Out of 3, 4, 5, which is the minimum number? 3 is the minimum number. So 3 plus 1 means 4. So this 4 value is coming from this 3. Let us fill this row. DA different, DB different, DC different, DF different, DZ different. So we have to use that formula. So out of 1 to 0, which is the minimum? 0. So 0 plus 1 means 1. So 1 is coming from this 0. Out of 0, 1, 1, what is the minimum number? 0. What is the minimum number? 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 is coming from this 0. Out of 1, 1, 2, which is the minimum number? 1 is the minimum number. So now we can use either horizontal arrow or diagonal arrow. Both are same only. Here I am using horizontal arrow. So 1 plus 1 means 2. Next, out of 2, 2, 3, which is the minimum number? 2 is the minimum number. So we can use horizontal or diagonal arrow. Now I am using diagonal arrow. So 2 plus 1, 3. Next, out of 3, 3, 4, the minimum number is 3. So 3 plus 1 means 4. So we can use this 3 or this 3. Now I am using this 3. Next, let us fill this row. CAB, different. So out of 1, 2, 3, 1 is the minimum number. So 1 plus 1, 2. Next, CB, different. CB, different. Out of 1, 1, 2, which is the minimum number? 1 is the minimum number. So we can use this diagonal arrow or this vertical arrow also. There is no problem. Here I am using this vertical arrow. So 1 plus 1, 2. Next, out of 2, 1, 2, 1 is the minimum number. Yeah, here CC. CC means same characters. Same characters means we have to copy the diagonal value. We have to copy the diagonal value. Here the diagonal number is 1. Next, CF different characters, CZ different characters. Out of 1, 2, 3, 1 is the minimum number. So 1 plus 1, 2. Out of 2, 3, 4, 2 is the minimum number. So 2 plus 1, 3. Next, E, A, B, C, F, G, all are different only. Out of 3, 4, 2, 2 is the minimum number. So 2 plus 1, 3. Out of 2, 2, 3, 2 is the minimum number. So 2 plus 1, 3. So we can use diagonal or vertical. There is no problem. So 2 plus 1, 3. Next, out of 3, 2, 1, 1 is the minimum number. So 1 plus 1, 2. Out of 1, 2, 2, 1 is the minimum number. So 1 plus 1, 2. Out of 2, 2, 3, 2 is the minimum number. So 2 plus 1, 3. So we can use horizontal or diagonal. So no problem. So 2 plus 1, 3. Next, G, the last one is same, whereas the first 4 are different characters. So different means minimum. Out of 3, 4, 5, 3 is the minimum. So 3 plus 1, 4. Out of 3, 4, 3 is the minimum. So we can use this vertical or diagonal also. Out of 4, 3, 2, 2 is the minimum. So 2 plus 1, 3. Out of 2, 3, 2 is the minimum. So we can use diagonal or vertical. It is our choice. Next here, GG, same characters. That means we have to copy the diagonal value. Copy the diagonal value. So 2 is coming from these 2. So here the last number is nothing but the minimum number of operations. So the minimum number of operations which are required are 2. Now let us find out what are those operations. Here what is the source string? ADC, EZ is the source string. Whereas what is the destination string? ABC, FG is the destination string. So here we got 2. Here this 2 represents to this row G character row as well as G character column. So both characters row and column are same. If row and column are same, then this diagonal represents copy operation. So simply copy this G. So G will be G only. Next, this arrow is coming from this one, these 2. Now let us check the character, these 2 character. E row, F column. So different characters. So let us check the arrow. So arrow is diagonal arrow. So if the characters are different, then the diagonal arrow represents replace operation. So now replace, this character means E row, F column. So replace E by F. So replace E by F. Okay. Next, this 2 is coming from this one. So here the characters are CC, same characters, and here we have diagonal. So same character diagonal means copy operation. So copy the value. Next here we have 1. So this 1 is coming from this one. Okay, let us check the characters. DB, DB, different characters, and 1 means here diagonal arrow. So different characters diagonal means replace operation. So replace D by B. So replace D by B. Next 1 coming from the 0. Here the characters are AA diagonal. AA same character diagonal means copy operation. So copy this A. Next is 0. So we can stop the process. So likewise we can easily find out the operations. Now